Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, this is 43-inch LG Full HD Smart LED TV with the fault white shaded picture along with no graphics problem. As we discussed, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. If both sides Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. If shorting is in any one side of the panel, we can repair and fix it using a temporary solution. Always remember that permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. Anyway, this TV comes with LG T-Con board, which represents two FFC cables representing both left and right side panel scalar PCB. Now let's disconnect the right side FFC cable and block the right side Gatesignals using taping method. See, now blocking is done. Now let's reconnect FFC cable back to T-Con and check the picture. See friends, now the complaint remains same, so repeat the same procedures on opposite side and revert all the action done on right side to default. Finally, here we block the left side Gatesignals using taping method. See, now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and TV display started working back to normal, but here you can notice that a bluish tint on display. It indicates a backlight fault. For getting good picture, we need to replace the backlight also. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.